What's going on, guys? Aaron here from the Project Capital. Thank you for tuning into my live stream. We're early, we're 5 minutes early today, but nonetheless, it's a green day. It's a green day for ACB. We're up 1 cent. Oh no, we're down 2 cents. All right, it's a red day. So what's going on, guys? Aaron here from the Project Capital. Thank you. What's going on, guys? Live stream, Project Capital. We're early. We're 5 minutes live stream today. There's way too much stuff going on right now. All right, how's everybody doing today? First off, I wanted to say sorry for missing my stream yesterday. But we did a stream with Tom the Trader, if you guys didn't check it out already. I'm just loading up the comments so I can see what everybody's saying, and then we'll jump right into the markets. We are seeing a fairly green day today. Let me know if the stream is good. I do believe there's a little bit more of a delay on this stream versus my other streams, but it's all right. Good morning. Good morning, Charlotte. So, like I said, guys, there might be a little bit more of a delay on this stream versus my stream from before, but that's all right. Maybe like another couple seconds, but anywho. Let's get straight into some things. We're seeing NBEV up 0.5%, not too much. ACB is actually in the red. Perfect, that's good to know. Good morning, Jacob. How are you doing? Tell me if the music's too loud also, by the way. Perfect, we've got a ton of tabs open. Last night we were shooting videos till like 4 in the morning as I wanted some extra content for the weekend. So I'll have some portfolio updates. For Saturday, and then I'm not too sure what I'm going to drop on Sunday. Feel free to make some suggestions as to what kind of videos you guys would like to see for Sunday. Oh, and one last thing. Let me know, how do you like when I actually schedule like my live streams? Like last night I scheduled this live stream, made it as an event for you guys to see. Does that make it easier so you know exactly what time I'm going to be going live? I felt like it worked out a little bit better. So, just let me know. Anyways, oh my gosh, Canadian Utilities up 2.5% again. Sorry guys, I know this is not a cannabis stock, but this has just been one of our top picks. We'll get right into the cannabis stocks. What is water doing? Up 1.11% again. IQ flat. We were just comparing some utility companies. Northwest Healthcare Properties down. Barrick Gold down 1.8%. Let's see here. Aphria, we've got utilities in the green again. Brookfield Property Partners up 0.5%. My goodness. Alibaba up 1.35%. All right, sounds good. Yeah. What's up, Doug? Good morning. I'm early today. Man, Alibaba has made a crazy run. Medmen's down another 2.5% today. The stock is feeling it. Stock's definitely feeling it. Yeah, I totally agree. I totally agree with that. It's always great to diversify. So that's why we're looking at a bunch of different companies. What's up, Ricardo? Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for tuning into the stream. All right, so we're gonna take a look at a few different companies. What do you guys think of my coffee cup? That's what I was doing before this, just making a cup of coffee. And I also have some I also have some tea for not Doug. I also have some tea for somebody. Once he comes in, you guys will know. Okay, so we're gonna look at the weed stock portfolio for this year. See what's the biggest gainer on the day. Hill Street Beverages, Harvest One, Matic Enterprise, Kiosk Beverages making a nice bounce again, holding on to the majority of those gains. Kronos almost above 30 bucks again. Wow, it's amazing this stock can hold on to its gains. Jesus, oh my God. ACB just can't get above 10. I know, that's what we've been talking about for a while. Just watched Midas letter from yesterday. All F's go to Medmen. STZ. Hello, Hironaka. Thank you for tuning in. I'll look at STZ right now. Then we'll see what's in the red. Constellation Brands. It's definitely... I've looked at Constellation Brands a bunch of times. The dividend's kind of small. The stock is down quite substantially. The charts are looking pretty good for Constellation Brands just by taking a quick glance. At around, it's hard to say though. We're gonna zoom in and look a little closer here on Constellation Brands. One thing I'm gonna get into for you guys, one thing I'm going to get into a little bit more for you guys also is technicals when it comes to stocks and stuff. We're gonna use 3 indicators: your moving average, relative strength index, and MACD. So I'll be covering that kind of stuff a little bit more. I figured I wanted to beef up my trading knowledge. So Labs is going to rock today. Good morning, Max. That's hilarious. Yes, sir, the green screen. We can be wherever we want to be, right? So also request new backgrounds and stuff. I'm totally open to other backgrounds. I just want to see how long the delay is. Seems to be a good 5 seconds. FST gets a hemp deal and the stock drops. Let's take a look at FSD. I want to see if I can potentially make this a little bit faster. States interaction. I want to make this a little faster, but I can't. All locations, resolution. I don't know why, guys. Whatever, I hope the delay's alright. Let me know. Let me know. Alright, let's see. GVT. HVT. ACB spends too much money. HVT. Let's take a look at HVT. Harvest One. Harvest One's been one we've talked about for a while. VFF. Wow. Harvest One making a nice run today. We were just talking about this. We were just talking about this one last night. So I can't wait till FST is on Midas letter again. I'm gonna tear them. Oh, that's funny. What's up, Andrew? Nice to have you in here. So we're gonna be looking at a few more companies here. We're actually gonna add HVT to the watch list. Harvest One. Very, very, very green day for Harvest One. Oh, that's our stocks to watch for 2019. Here, let's add it to our weed stocks portfolio as well. Harvest One Cannabis, biggest gainer on the day, followed by Hill Street Beverages. Yield growth has pulled back a tiny bit. Let's see what else we got here. International Canna Brands down 5%. This was a stock we were taking a look at last night, and it seems to have broken 10 cents already. Could potentially be headed back down to 7 cents. It's not what I want to see, but it's what could be happening. Main markets all green. TSX, S&P, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, and oil. Yes. Thanks for pointing that out, Alex. I like that we're looking at the whole market and not just the cannabis sector. And we'll get into that in 2 seconds. ISO deal, Green Thumb, Pure Global Cannabis. It's so funny. I mean, it's not funny that Medmen's been sinking as well. But Pure Global has also been sinking, so I don't feel so bad about selling Pure Global and buying Medmen, because they've been essentially performing the same. Actually, Pure Global has been underperforming Medmen for the most part, so not a bad sell. Curon Life Sciences down 2% to 335. Let's see here, guys. GEATF is wow, some movement. We have to, it's an indicator. Is there a pattern where it rises or drops, or is there not enough info unless we look at the candles? What are we referring to? What's your opinion on 15% increases like that so early in this morning? Yes, so that's a good question. Depends on what it's moving on. I would also watch for the reason why it's moving. Is it a good earnings report? Is it a deal? Is it something like that? That's also something to watch for. It also depends. Mineral push one day. It's definitely long term. Yes, I agree with that. So I don't know if you guys watched I believe it was Livestream or other videos, but I'm not going to buy Medmen again unless it hits like 375 or maybe 360. Something like that. So anyways, guys, I want to take a quick look. So we've covered a bunch of the cannabis stocks. We're going to be jumping back into that. It seems to be that Medmen is actually recovering some of those losses. We did look at Halo Labs last night also. Let's look at Halo Labs real quick. Yeah, sure, drop that link. I am right here. So I can see all your chats. Motley Fool Stock Advisor, Activision Blizzard is a buy. Oh, the Fool is so conflicting sometimes. I just don't know about the overall markets right now. I do like Activision Blizzard. I think it's cheap. But I think it could get a little bit cheaper. Alright, let's show this link. Let's show this link. Let's see what you got there. I don't know why it's delayed on my screen here. Is the chat delayed? I can't seem to pull it up here. Let me just go on a new window. And then we'll search Departures Capital. Alright, guys. Quick little... Oh, shoot. Let's show this link. Let's see what you got there. Smash that like button, guys. I didn't even ask for likes yet. Smash that like button. Let's get me to... Well, we already got 38 likes, so that's a pretty impressive ratio. 63 people tuning in and only 38 likes. That's already pretty impressive. So thanks for giving me those likes, guys. Harvest One announces Q2 2019 financial results, including a 123% revenue increase and a 53% gross margin. 53% gross margin's pretty good, but we have seen higher gross margins, although that's a really nice increase in revenue. There was an article, what I was reading revenue is going to be very important over the next like couple years versus other factors. So that's definitely a great quarter. Q2 2019 net revenue was 3.7 million, increase of 123%. Gross margin adjustments of 47% included in this. Gross margin of 53% for United Greeneries. As of December 31st, the company maintains a very robust balance sheet. 41 million in cash. Through its extraction agreement with Vale and Growworks, the company has initiated its product development strategy to produce oil-based derivative products. Statifarm launches sales of its reformulated proprietary capsules online in the UK. So all in all, obviously investors are liking the quarter, so could easily reverse 1.3%. Molly Fool bites the bones too. Every advisor has an answers when the other's wrong. How can you lose? Good morning, Lewis. You sound terrible sick. I'm not terribly sick at all. Just a little stuffy nose, but that's usually due to the dust in my place every morning. So I'm not sick at all. Although I have been hitting the sauna recently and then going straight back out into the cold, so we're taking some risks. Kill the warlock. I can see that comment, but no one else can. What's up with the negativity? Or is that a joke? Departures Capital, smash that like button. Yes, sir. BKNG is on sale. Smash the like button for Departures Capital. Thank you, sir. Let's talk ACB. Let's take a quick look at Halo Labs. And then, alright, we'll show that. Steven gets to show his chicken. Air purifier is due. I know, guys. Guys, look at the Canadian banks as another indicator. If you see, they're all very close to the 52-week highs. I think Halo Labs is great, but I don't like buying stocks that high. But it's hard to say. T got in the green. Wow, GG's back up to 10 cents. My goodness. All right. Where is T God? T God is up 1.25%, holding on to $4. Getting mad. They say they the best though. Stock is not showing. Yo, kill pill. Kill Bill. I don't know what else you said. Sorry, buddy. Getting mad. What stock are we talking about here, buddy? Or maybe air purifier and humidifier and you'll be better. What would that mean? Yes. Let's get T-God to $855. Oh. So happy today, guys, though. We've got a ton of our stocks in the green, not just cannabis stocks. Let's see what's declining on the day, though. We didn't look at decliners yet. We also have... Damn, I wanted to show you guys my favorite tea. You know what? T-God, Sean Dollinger just went public with a new company. Man, buns are us. That's Neurosis's next hot pick. Man buns are us. Alright. They specialize in man buns. International Canna brands. Can America brands. Aphria Health. Aphria Health. What has Aphria Health been up to? I haven't checked in on this stock for a little while. So let's see what Aphria Health is doing. I like this pullback. It's not enough for me just yet, but I want Aphria Health to pull back to $2. Then I'll look at it. There is a rally now, but I mean a big jump. SHMP rebounding a bit. Giddy up, gangster. Yes, Steve Wilson finally in the room. Steve, I got some special tea just for you, buddy. That's who I was waiting for. Rivers declining again. Hey, Steve, Aaron is bringing out the tea. 1 second, Steve. Getting you that special tea. Sorry, guys. We're back now. Hope we didn't lose too many viewers. Roll a blunt and grow some... Oh, man. Better be can of tea. Or tea. Or tea. It's called or tea. This is actually from Shanghai, if you can see it. This tea's very interesting. We're going to take a few seconds right now to not look at the stock market and look at my tea. I only have a little bit left, guys. This is a black tea with coffee beans inside of it. It's got coffee beans inside of it. It's a very good tea, straight from Shanghai. Also have this white tea, straight from Shanghai. This stuff's really good. Got quite a bit of it left. Anyways. Steve hit the dislike button for the tea. Come on, man. Come on, man. I got the coffee. Make sure to reconsider. Anyways, Aphria Health is dropping. That's what I like to see. Alright, so we are moving into our stocks for 2019 watch list. Back in November, you shave your... Neurosis, you are amazing. Coffee in a wine glass. That's right, guys. This wine glass is special too. It says, I see wine in your future. Perfect. Trigger price for ACB. We'll get into that in a second, Steven. Aaron T. Can is at a good buy. 40 North healthy pullback. Tesla's finally dropping. Alright, so trigger price for ACB. Let's take a look at ACB. Everyone wants to look at ACB. I made a joke last night saying every time we say ACB or Aurora Cannabis, Google puts more people into my stream because they detect the words being said. But trigger price for ACB, I'm holding steady. I'm holding steady on when it goes below $9. If we go below $9. Personally, I would like to see, let's look back a little bit further. Jeez. I would like to say $8. I don't know if we'll go that low. We could go that low if the market starts to sell off though. Between 8 and 8.50 is when I would buy the first lot. And it would probably be 500 shares. I want to add another 1,000. I want to add another 1,000 shares to ACB. So I would say the first batch, the first 500 shares, I would buy probably around 8.50, and then I wouldn't be a buyer again unless we went to probably 7 or below. I want to say 7 or below. Therefore, it leaves lots of room for a downside because at the current level, going from 9 to 7, that's a 30% drop. That would be a big drop probably in the market, so wouldn't be buying. But yeah, anyways, guys, my goal is to add another 1,000 shares to ACB. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what it does. But for now, yeah, just watching it It's been above, below, 10 bucks all freaking day. What do you think of the future of Wayland? We talked about Wayland last night. Aaron is going to be on the ACB board before it's over. That would be awesome. That'd be so cool. Who knows, guys? Maybe I'll be like their public relations dude. Their videos just get so many views on YouTube. It's just hard to fight it. I mean, it is our biggest holding, and that's not because their videos get so many views. It's just because it's the company that we've narrowed down to. But you know what? Actually, I want to take a look at SHMP. See what we're doing today. Aaron, do you think ACB is downtrending again? Buy some TCAN. Hello. JAN. What's up, JAN? SHMP is on a run today. I see SHMP hit 61 cents not that long ago. Alright, so TCAN. Sorry. Transcanada Holdings, is this what we're talking about? Song needs to go. There we go. Jeez. Transcanada Holdings. Close to its 52-week highs. Stock does look like it's in a nice uptrend though. Sent you an email. Alright, let's see what we got here. What is that stuff? What is that stuff? Take a look in a sec, Steve. Gmail is loading in the meantime. What's in an email? As long as it's appropriate. Wayland at 97 cents. We just talked about Wayland last night. Was talking about how we do think it's kind of in a downtrend again. We'll get to ACB also. Steve. Alright, let's see what we got here. Not going under 9 bucks. Yeah, it looks like 950 could be support. And then if it goes below that, then obviously it would be downtrending. I don't think ACB is downtrending right now. I think ACB is still in the uptrend. Hey Aaron and everyone in the chat, is there a gap in 48 North? I thought it filled, waiting to buy back later. ACB chart, thank you. Correction, if T-God can get past 474, it will go and run to 8 bucks. Are you a fan of Rocky Mountain High Brands? Rocky Mountain High Brands. I've looked at the stock a few times. So let's take a quick look. Rocky Mountain High Brands. Why can't we find it? There we go. I like to follow candle charts. Candle charts, I agree too. I like candle charts. I do use a lot of these just normal charts, but we can obviously pull up the candles for you guys at any time. And we can go to TradingView too. I like investing.com just as it's super easy. This stock, wow. Looks like we could see a low of 7 cents, but holy smokes. Might buy Tesla at 280. It's an interesting pick. I definitely like the pricing on their Model 3, their new Model 3. That could be huge. Smash that like button, guys. We got 77 people in the room already. Thank you for tuning in. Let's get this stream to 100 likes if possible. That'd be awesome. Let's keep rolling. Having a good day today, guys. I like going live straight at 10. All right, let's see what we got here. Just got some news. Canada economic growth slows in Q4. Rate hike unlikely. Well, obviously, are you guys crazy? Let's read this quick article. Canada's economic growth rate slowed more than expected in the fourth quarter on plunging crude oil export prices. Trudeau? I wonder why that is. Maybe because we don't have a friggin' pipeline and we're sending our oil via train, which is the stupidest idea ever. 0.4% Canadian economic growth, guys. 0.4%. Canada's on fire. What a sad story. What a sad, sad story. Alright. That was my rant for the day. After rebates, the Model 3 will cost only $24,000 in some states. That's amazing. That's really amazing. Alright, guys. So, Trudeau's going in the fall. Yes, please get the heck out of the office. I don't know if he did any good for the whole country. So, we're going to take a look at some gainers on the day. Sorry, Matt, I would not. He makes our country look like an amazing country, and, you know, his public image is perfect, but what has he actually done for Canadians themselves? It's almost like everybody but Canadians benefit. Just my opinion. Excuse me. That's true, but I feel like it would have been passed with or without Trudeau. Don't mean to offend anyone if you're a Trudeau supporter. Yeah. You're from Toronto and you're saying that. Haha, awesome. Well, I'm glad we can agree on something, Steve. So, I want to take a look at a couple stocks just because these are stocks we've been talking about for quite a while now. And yeah, we're just going to show you guys a few cool companies. So, Aphria Corporation, Canadian Utilities, Alibaba, Enbridge, Brookfield Real Estate. Let's see what else we got here. What decliners do we have in the portfolio? First Mining Gold selling off a little bit today, down 3.95%. This stock I want to see continue to drop. Extendicare, we're down 4.99%. Almost bought Extendicare later this week, or earlier this week, but decided not to. Alkaline Water dipping into the red. We're down 0.44% now. EA's in the red. Alright, guys, so want to look at a few of these companies. Aphria Corporation is very interesting. Thank you. Yes, all opinions are appreciated, and everyone has the right to their own opinion, so don't mean to offend anyone, Matt, of course. But yeah, we're not going to really talk much about politics. I care about what the dude is doing for our country, and we've seen the oil sector go to crap. That's what's pissed me off the most, among a few other things. So anyways, we won't get too much into that. Aphria Corporation rising 2.91%. I like this stock because it's defensive, and they make mechanical lifts and wheelchairs and all that type of stuff for the aging population. So that's what I like. Their products and things will be in high demand, so that's pretty cool. Up 2.91%. Canadian Utilities running to $35.90, almost $36 a share. I've got my own personal price target of $40 per share on this company, and it's been on a nice run recently. They've been playing catch up in the utility sector just as this stock got beat up due to Alberta, but now they're on the run back up. Keep your oil sands. Oil is an interesting sector. Lots of cheap companies right now in our oil sector, but it's hard to say if oil is going to make that run up into the 60s. Right now we're seeing crude down 0.5%, gold and silver. Gold's gonna sell down almost to 1300. I think we're gonna test 1300 and then go from there. Extendicare up 1.44%. This is another one of those stocks that I like because they've got long-term care facilities. Stock's been on a pretty nice run recently. So this is Enbridge, actually. I apologize, guys. Extendicare dropping off 5%. 15 hours ago. Okay, so Q4 results. Let's just quickly dive into their Q4 results real quick. Revenue of 288 million. There's the press release. EPS of minus 10 cents per share. So stock's down 5%. Yeah, we'll show that, Max. T-God gets to 475. Watch it take off. Look at the candles. Shows a massive bull run after 475. Speaking of ketchup, Aaron, can you send me some ketchup chips? Oh, no. You don't get ketchup chips down there, Steven? That's so sad. No. I love ketchup chips. Alright, guys, let's see what we got here. Enbridge up 1.36%. Looks like we're going to 50 bucks for Enbridge. The stock's made a nice run, but if we look at the 5-year chart, I still think Enbridge has been 55, 60 bucks a share before. So I would say we've got at least another $5 to $10 upside for Enbridge. Meanwhile, sitting on that 6% dividend. Wow. Looking great. If I had to buy one retirement stock, what would it be? That's a tough one. That's a tough one. Let me see here. It would have to be between... Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Not Severia. It would definitely be between, let's see here. Just trying to find it. I believe it's Chartwell Retirement Residences. It would be between Northwest Healthcare Properties and Chartwell Retirement Residences. Where is it? Right here. Be between these two stocks. So Northwest Healthcare Properties, REIT. This is investing in the real estate. Basically just the real estate aspect of it. Paying 7.35%. And Chartwell Retirement Residences. Paying 3.89%. The dividend's not as great on this one. The stock has been fairly stable, and we can compare the two. I don't support old people's. And then take all my FST when it hits $5. It's a human right to have ketchup chips. Pickled flavored Doritos sound so good. Yes, pickled Doritos are very good. Silver down. Time to load up on precious metals. Zeminski. Matt, that's sad. BTB REIT is such a killer. Let's see what BTB REIT is. So I would say those two. Also look at Sierra Senior Living. SIA on the TSE. Sierra Senior Living. Sierra Senior Living pays a 5.1% dividend, so right in the middle of those two companies, those two stocks, and they've got some very high quality assets. The only problem with this company is it's very close to its 52-week high. So I'd be cautious, but the stock around 18 bucks might be a good one to look at. My retirement stock is keeping 3 elderly people in my basement and cashing their SS check. That's an even better and guaranteed dividend. I send you 1 bag of ketchup chips for every ACB share you send me. Well, currently that's almost a $10 bag of ketchup chips, so. Damn. All right, so guys, I wanted to take a quick look at that REIT that was recommended. 1 second, BTB. BTB. Let's see what we got here. BTB Real Estate Investment Trust. Paying a 9% dividend yield. $256 million market cap. Wow, this stock has essentially been flat for the past, like, since 2009. What's up with that? This thing has barely moved. Sorry guys, I want to do a quick little bit of research and just see what's BTB and what are their holdings. 250 million, very small cap. Portfolio, I want to see what's in their portfolio. Let's go, let's go. Quebec, Montreal, Ottawa. Wow, we've got some in London. Is that for real? They own some properties in London. Here, let's see, guys. No, Ingersoll. Oh, I know Ingersoll. Southwestern Ontario, for any of you guys who don't know where much about Canada. So we've got some in Quebec City, some in, lots in Montreal. Mainly, it's a Montreal-based REIT. Mainly Montreal. I don't mind a play on Montreal real estate. I do feel like the prices in Montreal could have more potential. That's a cool one. So thanks for recommending that. I'm actually going to add that to the portfolio. BTB. I do like REITs. I like investing in physical real estate more, but it's a pain in the ass. Neo. I'm using a drone. BCE for retirement. Yes, we just bought more BCE. And are you just making a joke, Steve? Or what's up with that? I had to Google ketchup chips. Let's take a quick look at Bell. Power Corporation of Canada. Like that stock also. We own some Power Corporation of Canada. Great company, great dividend. Could be a good time to take a look at that one actually. But we're looking at Bell real quick here, paying 5.4%. Excuse me, MBII. We'll take a look at MBII in a second. Yeah, Bell's very close to its 52-week high of 58.82. The stock looks to have little upside. That's my only issue with this one. But I do like Bell. We do hold some Bell and recently just bought some Bell. So it is the grandmother stock. So anyways, BIP.UN. Love Brookfield Infrastructure Partners. Just think it's too expensive right now. It's made too nice of a recovery. Smash that like button, guys. We're at 70 likes and 0 dislikes. Don't even think about hitting that dislike button. But I know one of you guys will, so it's okay. As long as you turn it back into a like. And let's get this stream to like over 100 people. And let's see if we can get to 100 likes. Brookfield Infrastructure Partners on a run again. See, like I said, the stock's just recovered too nicely from 44 to 53 already. 52-week highs of 55. We're so close to those 52-week highs. If I was looking, but you know what, guys? It's hard to say. Like, I definitely do like Brookfield Infrastructure Partners, but I like Brookfield Real Estate a little bit more. Let's see here. Not Brookfield Real Estate Services, although this stock is down quite a bit. We still got room to run that spike. I'd love to see 20 bucks in the cards, but you know what, guys? Let's take a look at Brookfield Property Partners. This is another interesting one. 76 likes, awesome. Aaron, do you mostly do day trades or do long-term positions mostly? Mostly long-term positions. Mostly long-term positions. I don't claim to be your next hottest day trader. Couche-Tard is in all-time highs. Great company, but yeah, I wouldn't be buying those highs. I like Brookfield Property Partners even after the run. We had a nice little run up here from 17 to almost 20. Still paying a great dividend, 6.79%. 19 to 24, that's still a 20% upside, so good enough for me. What's up, Matt? Hey, why isn't T-God near 52-week highs? T-God, it's hard to say, it's hard to say. MBII. Thanks so much. I'm not much for biopharma. No problem, Jacob. Hill Street Beverage Company signed an agreement with Livestream Cannabis Solutions. This is why beer is moving. ASA is a buy. Hard to say for ASA. AUSA, Australis Capital. Never sold any of my shares, but damn, this thing's getting slammed again. We just talked about this last night in our stream, how we think it could sell down to new lows. Crop. We'll take a quick look at crop. Got some questions about crop last night. We had Tom the trader on our live stream. It was very good. It was a very fun live stream. FFN. Yeah, it's hard to say for Australia's capital, guys, but this is basically like a venture capital play on US cannabis, small caps. Until they show something, it's I don't know. Waiting to dump Namaste and Medmen. What's up, Hironaka and Humble? Thank you for tuning into the stream. Nice to have you here. Can we discuss the current state of the markets? Yes, sir. In 2 seconds. I just want to look at a few more companies. I want to take a look at Crop again. Crop Infrastructure Corp. Honestly, this stock does look pretty compelling. The charts look compelling. The idea of the company looks pretty compelling. It's not yet. I mean, we can take a look at the company profile just as I want to read something to you guys. So 52-week range of 13 cents to $1.20. Lots of room for upside in terms of if we're looking at 52-week highs. Yeah, Tom's a great chart guy. I thought it was pretty sweet. Engaged in real estate investment trust business sector. So this is something that I think is going to be very important. And we're going to need greenhouses. So they do greenhouse equipment, leasing out greenhouses, owning greenhouses. I know it's a very small market cap as of now, $57 million. But if you guys look at this company and compare it to IIPR, which is a very big innovative industrial properties REIT. So this is essentially the same thing, but the stock has just completely taken off. They're in the same sector. So if this is any indication of what could potentially happen, I think Crop Infrastructure Corp could be a big winner in this space, but it just hasn't performed anything like innovative industrial properties. So I would do more research on the company, but I love the idea of being a niche REIT in that sector, because IIPR is amazing. Steve, I think that is a question for his email. That's a question for Tom's email. That's a question for you guys in the DMs on Twitter. So do it up. Steve, you know what? I got something for you, buddy. got something for you. It's our first cup of tea on the day. I like to do coffee and then tea right after. So we'll finish this coffee first and then we'll have a little cup of tea for Steve. Steve-O. GHHC looks like it's trying to run. Oh, Steve. Crop Infrastructure Corp, guys. So yeah, this company actually looks like it's starting to get out of this range that it's been stuck in, this range of 30 to almost 40 cents. It looks like I see a very long descending triangle pattern here. We'll pull up the candles real quick. So if you guys see this company up, down, up, down, up, down, and then it's looking to make some kind of a breakout. This is definitely something I'd like to see the stock flattening out and consolidating, but I'd like to see the stock move above 40 cents. If we move above 40 cents, there could be some good things in the cards for crop. But this is actually one that I kind of want to buy. Sorry, Steve, we can't show that. Can't show that comment. Aaron, you will be peeing all day long. Coffee and then tea. Nevada Tucker. That's what I'm talking about. Survival rate was fantastic. They left them to keep them fresh. Living on coffee. So yes, Crop Infrastructure Corp probably will be our next buy within the cannabis sector. I like the charts, and I want to see if there's anything in the portfolio today that I can take some profit on to add crop to the portfolio. So we'll see in a sec, guys. I want to see what JD.com is doing because tempted to take some profit on JD.com. JD.com was more of a short-term trade. This was one stock that we actually were trading short-term. So JD.com's up another 5.21%. Oh, just bought it right before the quarter. One day before the quarter, we're up 11% already. Not much offends me. Doug, I think the drop yesterday was because investors didn't understand the news. Wow, JD.com is killing it. I love it. When are we gonna, well, it doesn't even look like we're gonna run into some support until we hit like over 30 bucks. I'm gonna hold on to this one for now. JD.com has been a great buy. I wish I bought all JD.com, but I managed to buy some 10-cent too. You did, Matt. You did. You actually inspired me to buy JD.com. I was looking to load up on 10-cent. I was going to buy all 10-cent. And then I was like, you know what? You recommended JD.com. I took a look at the charts, and the story was actually more compelling than 10-cent. So I believe I bought a little more JD.com than I did 10-cent. And that is playing out very well. So thank you very much. Just got downgraded. Very good dividend yield, 15%. Max R. What's up, Modern Picasso? Nice to have you in here. Max R. Ooh, yes, I looked at Maxer Technologies. Holy crap. What is going on today? Down 23%. I forget what this company does. I was just looking at this company. Right? IIPR. Global Communications and Information Company providing operational solutions to commercial and government operations worldwide. What's up, Tom? It's all good, man. I know you're 2 hours behind. So, great stream last night. Everybody liked it so far. Doug said he wants to send you a DM. Don't worry, Doug's a big joker. He always rips on me for tea. So, you guys are going to be best buds. I already know it. Smash that like button. Hey, Tom. Nice. Go. I'm with you on SHMP. Thoughts on SPR and BE? SPR? Sprint. Oh, no. Sproutly. Sproutly. Charts look pretty good. 52-week range of 25 to $1.18. Looks pretty good right now. That's a nice little pullback with some consolidation. Small market cap. I like the chart. Criminal lawyer checking in. Omar Mark Atias. What's going on, buddy? Thank you so much for tuning in. Are we doing any interesting cases today? And at the same time, I understand if you're not allowed to disclose any information. Have a hard time going over the 20-cent resistance. Only Lululemon. Hey Tom, your ears must be burning. Where? We were just talking about you. Aaron wanted to know. That is not true, Steve. It's the other way around. Steve was asking that question. Steve's the troublemaker. I can see that. I can see how Steve was like back in high school. Yes, sir. So, man, I'm tempted to take some profits on Alibaba. Alibaba has just been on fire. Yikes. It's just, what do you guys think? I'm up like 20% on Alibaba. That is a nice run. I feel like we could potentially pull back. I'll have to watch your live stream with Tom this weekend. Yep, it was a great live stream. Feel free to tune into that. Cannabis stocks, why are they down? We'll check into our portfolio quickly for you guys. 82 likes. Hit that like button, guys. We're almost at 100 people live, so this is sweet. I just want to fix this chair. My back's killing me. Oh, that's better. Sell. Cash in on Alibaba. I'm really tempted today to take some profits on Alibaba. Really tempted. Take profit, buy some crop. That is not a bad idea. That is not a bad idea. My rule is 10 to 25%. Take the cash and run. I'll be making the call later today about that Alibaba. I just want to talk to my dad as he's super bullish on Alibaba, and we kind of decided to buy it together. So cash in and go to the Seychelles. Whew, that sounds like a fantastic plan. That sounds like a fantastic plan, man. I would love to go to the Seychelles right now. It's freezing here in Canada. Alamos Gold up 2.8%. Fortuna Silver Mines in the green, holding on to $5 despite the pullback in PMs. Wow. That is great. First Majestic. We're seeing the precious metal miners hold on nice and steady, even despite the pullback in the physical metals. TSUP and LHSIV. She sells seashells by the seashore. I'm bullish on Baba too. That's the only thing, but I'm weary of a potential pullback in the markets. That's my only reasoning. I'm watching JWCA. Anyone else? My dad seems cool. My dad is the financial dude. He's the accountant. And I'm the risk taker. That's the only way that we work together. He tells me to slow down and I tell him to speed up. See you, Tom. See you, Tom. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that like button, though. Crop Infrastructure Corp. This stock I want to buy today, so I'm going to try and raise some money and buy that. Seychelles looks like a couple resort spot. It definitely is. I mean, it's not a place to go party, but it's a place to go see some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Take a helicopter ride around the islands, jump on a boat, and check out some sweet resorts. It's not cheap though. Though he drove a garbage truck. Oh my God, what the hell? BTB Real Estate Trust. This stock, not bad. Not bad, honestly. Montreal Real Estate. What do you guys think about Montreal Real Estate? Kind of liking this company. Super chats to raise money. Yin and yang. Sorry for the pit stop. Like's been hit. No problem. No problem. Naughty time. Sally What do you think about Charlotte's Web stock? C-Web. We'll look at it. What are we at for time here, guys? An hour already? You know what happens when we get that bad gateway? Charlotte's Web. It's a play on hemp, I believe, right? $1.86 billion market cap. Let's just read the company profile for anybody who doesn't know much about Charlotte's Web. Canada-based company engaged in alternative medicine, hemp-based CBD wellness products. I do like the fact that they're based on CBD. Charlotte's Web, if we see a little bit more of a pullback, I like it, but a little too pricey right now. I'd love to see the stock hit 17 bucks. That'd be sweet. CBDs, I love CBDs though. I want more exposure to CBDs. ALRM. Alarm Holdings. I'm not going to buy on margin. I'm not going to buy on margin. I just take profit on something. I'll see. I don't know what happened to Alarm Holdings. I'm gonna assume it's quarterly earnings. Yep. Goldman moves to sell. That was way back in June. So Alarm Holdings, if you really want to know what happened to Alarm Holdings. DDJH, can you spell the company's name, please? Alright guys, I don't really follow crop as CBD exposure as well. If you dive into their financials, that is great to know. So I'm definitely liking crop. It is a very small cap stock. We'll take one more look at crop. Yeah, so it looks like it's making a potential move. And if we break above 40 cents, I think this stock could definitely run. It's got lots of room to run. That's the thing about this. Lots of positive write-ups. Alarm.com. Get killed on wash, sales trading short. Yeah, Labs is an interesting one. LBAS. Labs. Metapharm Labs. There's been lots of talk about this stock, but it's just too high right now. That's the only thing. I think it's a bull flag too for crop. I love the fact that it's a REIT in the cannabis space and they're not paying dividends yet because they're too small. But eventually I want to see those kind of companies. Like if you see what happened to IIPR's dividend is way too small now because the stock has ran so much. But this company looks set to profit at only $57 million market cap. Damn. I gotta agree with you guys, and I'm gonna try and raise a bit of money today so we can buy some crop. take some profit on one of our picks, one of our holdings. I know we've got a bunch in the green, so I'll have to dive into some of those portfolios and see what's going on there. And sell something to buy some crop. I'll let you guys know if I buy some crop. It's currently 11 a.m. right now. I'm going to, I'll stay live for maybe another 10 minutes. Yeah, I'll stay live for another 10 minutes. Take a break, shoot some videos. I've got a bunch of stuff I'm working on. I'm actually working on my stock market membership group and a couple different courses. So we're going to have a bunch of stuff for you guys coming up in the next week or so. I want to make sure that it's very thorough and there's lots of value in there before I even start to sell it. So what we're going to do is we're going to combine our VIP trader with a different program and offer you guys 3 different levels of service. Basic being VIP, trader alone, the report, then my private stock market group with all my different trades, and then an advanced version. So anyways, I'm not going to sell you guys all day, but we'll get into that later when it's all ready, when it's all set up, and when I've got it all finalized. So should be fun. Lots more to come for the purchase capital. Crop. I don't know. We'll see. I kind of want to put 5 grand into crop. So 3 to 5 grand to start. So however much that is, let's see. What's 5 grand divided by 0.37? Wait a sec. My calculator is not working. We'll go with 12 to 14,000 shares probably. Don't buy something yet. Let the trade come to you. It's nice to have some cash for when you see big obvious moves. Are there strippers in the VIP? Depends on where the VIP is. Baba, are we gonna take some profits on Baba? Oh man, it's so tempting right now. Baba has just been on such a beautiful run. You know what, guys? Let's take a quick look at the S&P 500. Cantras and T-God are to be the big guys in the industry, and Kronos and Hexo won't. We'll see. It's hard to say. Damn, honestly, the markets look like they are holding their ground as of now. I want to see some sideways action. Honestly, I want to see the markets trade within a range of 2650 to 2800 on the S&P 500. That's really what I want to see. Because if we trade sideways for the rest of the year, it's going to be some nice stability and just allows me to collect those dividends from all those utility companies. I think we're going to be very range bound over the next while. You can see here. I don't know if we're going to set new all-time highs for the markets in general. I do think we're going to be range bound and it's going to get tighter. Because 150% swing on the S&P, that's a lot of volatility. I think the markets are going to stabilize. But we could trend down a little bit and see some kind of healthy pullback in the next little while. We'll see. Because look at the extent of this rally. It's just nuts. Just an article. Never go broke taking profits. Strip club background. I don't know, guys. I want to do that really badly right now, but I feel like I don't want to get demonetized. I don't want to get demonetized. Here, let's look up some money. All right, let's see what we got here. Damn, let's see. This one's alright. No, I like this one. This one or this one? Oh, it's got the copyright. It's got the copyright thing on it. Did someone put a curse on ACB? How about, what about Money Mountain? Let's see what a Money Mountain is. Perfect. I love this. All right. No. Why does it have that annoying thing? There we go. This is such a sweet picture. Okay, guys. Just set this up real quick. Give me 2 seconds. Bam. Oh, no. Wait a second. All right, so when ACB goes to $100 a share, this is what my stream's gonna look like. What's up, guys? Aaron here from Departures Capital. We're currently here at in our backyard. Just sold another 800,000 shares of ACB. So yeah, guys. Did someone put a curse on ACB? So we'll take a look at ACB in 2 seconds. Pick from back of my phone. What target price are you waiting to buy? Are we talking about ACB? I'm not going to buy ACB unless it goes below $9, and I'm only going to buy my next 500 shares if ACB goes to between 8 and 850. Between 8 and 850 is when we will look at ACB again. I love this background, guys. To be honest, this is a sweet background. But we'll jump back into the markets. Man, crop is looking nice. Crop is looking nice. Seems to be the dust is picking up in here. My nose. Hill Street Beverages up 15%. Harvest One yields growth. Boss is coming back. Evenco, Kronos, T-God. Pure Global's flat finally. How's Medmen doing? Curon Life Sciences selling down 5.26%. Ouch. Guys, we got 95 likes. 95 likes. I just need 5 more likes and we hit 100 likes. That would be awesome. Take the profits. Just a matter of time for a downtrend to buy in on. 48 North selling off to 101. Oscan selling off again. Green Growth Brands has not been performing that well. Medmen down 0.5%. Namaste Technologies, Wayland Matic Enterprises, T-God, Valens Growworks. Yeah, FSD is a huge heartbreak. Huge heartbreak. Get it? Down again, 1.79%. Man, this stock, so annoying. Hit that like button till y'all drop. Wow, we're at 105 likes. All right, guys. I really appreciate that. And we just hit an hour and 15 minutes. So, guys, I am going to wrap this stream up very soon. So, any more requests, any more comments, any more requests for videos over the next weekend, and let me know if you guys want me to go live one more time before the market closes. Because I don't have a problem with that. Actually, now if I don't go live throughout the day, I feel like something's missing. I feel like my day's not complete. So let me know if you guys want like a 1:30 live stream. We could definitely do that for maybe another half an hour to an hour. That'd be fun. Let me know. And any more videos, like I said, I've got 2 videos dropping for Saturday. It's our portfolio updates and trades for 2019 based on our stocks to watch list for 2019. I wish, Jordan. Live stream all day. We need you. I need you. Okay, cool. I'll go live one more time around 1:30, 1:32. So that sounds good. And yeah, any other videos you want me to make? OG and the OC. Cool, guys. You know what? So I'm actually gonna end it with this. Yes. So that's it for this stream, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully by the time I come back, I will have bought some crops. So we'll see. Thank you, guys. We'll see you soon.